In this video, we're going to continue in Chapter 5 with Activity 5-4, creating subnets in Active Directory sites and services. To get to Active Directory sites and services here on server DC1, I'm going to go to Tools and then Active Directory sites and services. Once this opens, we're going to go ahead and open up our sites and look at our various sites and see that we only have our one default active first site name. We want to go to subnets, and we'll see right now there are no subnets, so it is kind of a wild world for people to, or for users to go to their domain controllers. We want to right-click and say New Subnet. In the prefix, we specifically want 10.99.0.0/24 to get the entire /24 or Class C network. We then specify what site this belongs to. Well, we only have the one, so that makes it nice and easy. And then we say OK. Now we can go ahead and right-click on that subnet and view its properties. And we could possibly give it a description, such as default site, if we wish to. However, that is not required. Yeah, we could look through here and see we can also put in a location, such as a regional location. We can get more details about the object and its security and the attribute editor, which you probably don't want to get into. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel, so none of that is saved. Here we have our default first site name, and I'm going to rename this. So right click, rename, and I'll type in headquarters instead. If we go ahead and right click and view the properties for headquarters, again, in the description, we can type in a description. And then we can even see that, yes, our subnet is there and part of that environment. Since we're here, since we just created our headquarters site, if we come back up to sites, I can right click and say New Site. Let's go and call this the branch office and choose our default IP site link. Okay. And okay. And that is the end of Activity 5-4, setting up sites in Active Directory sites and services.